Hi, so today I just wanted to try and recreate Kylie Jenner's Oscar red carpet look with bin bags. And so all you need is 4 bin bags for the front. Do not keep them attached. And then 6 for the back, 6 long ones. And then 4 for the back that I'll show you how to use in a minute. So basically the front, so the large strip of bags put over shoulders. Then you loop the 4 strip of bags through there and covers her boobies, you can see. And then from the back, cross them over at the back and bring them through. I'm going to wrap them around, widen them a little bit, and I'm going to tie them at the back for now, just one loose knot. Actually do a tight knot. Right, and then I'm going to make sure it covers her boobies. You could also use fabric, stretch fabric, and actually be able to wear it out. Or if you have to do like a school project that requires bin bags, this would be fantastic. If you wear like the booby tape or whatever the celebs use, that's how they wear these gowns like these. Right, so they say she didn't have knickers on, but you don't know. So that covers that, and then her sort of bottom was bare. Right, and then the back, I'll fall over, so I've crossed it over. So that's the only difference, because she only has them strapped going around her shoulders, but I think that would be impossible to keep up. Right, so just in a big knot there, and then your 4 bags I'm going to, what do you do with them in it? I'm gonna, oh yeah, that's it, just for extra coverage. So it's even. And now the ones that you knotted, bring to the front again. Wrap them around one more time. You could even cinch your waist in with these. And then it goes over the ones you just put in. It's a bit wider just to cover her bottom. We'll just undo the bag. So if you did this with stretch fabric, it would look fantastic, wouldn't it? Gold or any colour really. Right, try and cover her bottom a bit more. Right, wow. Hope you like it.